Hi, this is Janice, and in this video today I am going to show you how to make iced coffee. For this recipe you are going to need 3/4 teaspoon of coffee crystals. You will need a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 3/4 cups of warm water. Then you're going to need a 1/4 cup of milk, some ice cubes. So let's get this video going. The first thing that I am going to do is I am going to warm up my water in the microwave, and then I will continue from there and show you what other ingredients it will consist of in order to make this iced coffee. I just warmed up my warm water and I put it in the microwave for about a minute. It doesn't have to be really hot, just warm. And the next ingredient that I'm going to add to my warm water here is 3/4 teaspoon of coffee crystals. Now you can add as many coffee crystals you like. It all depends on how strong you like your coffee to be. So I added 3/4 teaspoon of my coffee crystals, and then the next ingredient is going to be a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. So now I'm adding a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar into the coffee. Then I'm going to add my 1/4 cup of milk, and then I'm going to stir the ingredients that I combined in my cup. And then the next thing that I'm going to add is some ice cubes. It usually requires a little more than a 1/4 cup of ice, but it all depends on how big your mug is, so it requires depending on how many ice cubes you put in here. Okay, here is the iced coffee. I hope you enjoy this coffee as much as I do. And I would like to tell everyone thank you so much for joining me today. It was a pleasure to see you guys again. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you want to learn more about my channel, there's a lot of interesting things that I make when it comes into crocheting, into cooking. I have a lot of delicious recipes. So don't forget to click on that notification button. That way you will never miss a video that I make. So I will see you guys next time, and I hope everyone is doing just fine. See you then.